This is called Nearpod. It's a way to make PowerPoints so that they're more engaging for students to follow along with in class. You can make a PowerPoint on the actual PowerPoint app and then put it onto Nearpod, or you can just make the entire PowerPoint onto Nearpod. So it lets you convert your old PowerPoints onto it. This is one I've already made before. So if you preview it, you can look at some of the things it lets you do. These are just normal slides that you can do with it, like anything you would find on a regular PowerPoint. But then the things like this is a collaboration, so the students can share their thoughts, put on like their own images. They can hit the post button and do things like that. So they can collaborate, like to figure out the answers to the questions. That makes it pretty engaging because they can work on it with other people, even if they're not right next to those other people. And I think it can also make it more fun for students because they get to work with others. And then they have the draw it slide, so you can actually draw all over the slide, which would be fun if you have like questions. Students can like actually draw in their answers. They can, it just makes it more fun for them to be able to like draw on it. And then you can put on web content, which I think makes it really efficient, because that way if you want your students to get on a website during your lesson, you don't actually have to write the entire website on it. You can just click on that and it will bring them to that website. And especially when you're working with younger children, if they're not very good at typing, they can just click on this and be able to find that. So that makes it pretty efficient. And I think it's effective because you can do a lot of things, like you can have quizzes, you can make polls, you can do a lot of things at the end, and it helps just the students learn the material better, like be more engaged with it. I think it's a great resource to use instead of a regular PowerPoint.